Manchester United's revival under Solskjaer and whether he should be given a permanent job?
He's done magnificently well to come in literally from the cold of Norway. He's got history at the club, he understands the club, he understands how the club was run when it was successful every season, and success was demanded and anticipated, so he knows the pressures. You know, having won 10 now, 12 games I think, a little bit humbled last night by PSG, but I still feel they're capable of going to Paris and winning 3-0. And to say that when earlier in the season there wasn't a great deal of optimism about the club, I think he's transformed the mentality, not just the mentality of the spectators, but also the mentality of the players, who now look like different players to the players that played earlier in the season. So in terms of giving him the job, I would certainly give him the job, because he's united. You know, he is the United mentality. You look at their recent managers, it's not a United fit. Jose Mourinho I love because he's been successful everywhere. Even at United he's won trophies. Louis van Gaal won trophies everywhere else. David Moyes done very well as Everton and was, you would say, personally groomed by Sarai. But Solskjaer is a United man through and through. The people he's got around him are United men, and I would certainly give him the job without hesitation.